Let's learn to read and write files using the built-in methods of Python. With the built-in open function in Python, we can open an external file and call it todo, and close it with the close function. If you want to make sure you properly close the file once you're done, you can put it in a try finally block. And you can also open it with the with as syntax, so it automatically closes the file once it's done. Let's open it in the read mode, read 5 characters, read the rest, and now there's nothing left to read. The cursor is at position 80. Take it to position 73. Now read whatever there is to read. Get to the start of the file, read a line, read the rest of the lines. Get to the front again. We can also use a for loop to iterate over each line in the file. Now close the file, open it in append mode, and write this line break a leg at the end of the file. Close it again. Open it in read mode this time and read its contents. Break a leg has been appended. Let's see some functions on file objects. Open it in read mode. Detach the underlying binary buffer. Open it again. Get the file descriptor as an integer. Flush the internal buffers to the disk. Is the file connected to a TTY-like machine? No. Is it in a readable state? Yes. Read 7 characters from the current line. Read the rest of this line. Does the file support random access? Yes. Open it in append mode this time and truncate it to 60 characters. Open it to read it. Read it. Also, is the file writable? No, we've opened it in read mode. Open it again in the append mode. Write this to it. Okay, bye. It writes 9 characters. Write these 3 lines to it. Now open it in the read mode and read it. All of this has been appended to it.